Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Downs, and I know that you have been working really hard on character traits last week and this week as well. So, today I'm going to just explain what you're going to be doing for today. So, let's quickly go back over what we've already learned about character traits. So we can look at a character and we can describe a character two ways. We can describe them by their appearance, what they look like on the outside, or we can describe them how they look on the inside, which is what we call our character traits. So when we look at this little girl right here, we can see that she's short, she is freckled, she has brown hair, she's pretty, she has a pink bow in her hair, she's standing up straight and tall. But on the inside, which is harder to see from a picture, she's brave, she's smart, she's caring, she's honest, and she's fair. Okay, remember, character traits can be both positive and negative. And as much as everyone wants to have positive traits about themselves, sometimes we do have negative traits. And they're not always a bad thing. Sometimes they can be a good thing, but we consider them negative. So remember, some of our positives might be that you're generous, you're hardworking, you're honest, you might be determined, flexible, polite. And some of those negative ones could be that you are cowardly. Maybe you're afraid to try new things. Impatient. I know that I'm impatient sometimes. I get so upset when things don't go as fast as I want them to go, or things don't come as soon as I want them to be. Timid can also be a negative trait, although sometimes it's not a bad thing to be a little timid. Rude, yeah, that's probably not a good thing anytime. Okay, so if we look at this little poster, and you've seen this before, we know that character traits are adjectives that describe what a person or a character is like on the inside. And good readers infer character traits by paying attention to how a character acts, what they say, and what others say or think about them. Remember, on one of my other slides, I did to remember the words fast. How does the character feel and act? What do they say? Okay. So if I'm looking at this little statement right here, it says, I am inferring that Susie is happy because she is smiling. See that smile? She looks very happy. She might be girly because she's wearing a pink dress. So when I come down here, I made a little bubble map, and I have Susie there in the center, and two of the character traits are happy and girly. Now, if you notice, when I did happy, next to that, I put that she is smiling. And when I put girly, I put that she is wearing a pink dress. Okay, again, here is our little chart. It shows us our appearances on the outside, character traits are on the inside. Okay, so your activity, you're going to have 4 pages that you're going to do. Now, you can do these on the slides, or you can do them paper and pencil. You will have 4 little scenarios like this on in your packet. You can either do each one of them on its own sheet of paper, or like I said, you can do them on the Google Slides. If you do them paper and pencil, you're going to have to take a picture of them and send them to your teacher. Okay, so I'm going to do one with you, and then you will be able to do the next 4 on your own. So here you see, I have Paisley is an only child who loves to draw, play piano, shop with her mom, and write stories. She enjoys acting and putting on plays for her parents at home. At school, Paisley is quiet and keeps to herself. She works hard and always tries to get an A. And then in the center it says, how would you describe Paisley? So what you're going to do is you're going to put Paisley in the center. Then you're going to come up with some character traits. Now remember, these can be on the outside or the inside. You just need to prove them. So one of the things that I chose to write is that I put that she might be lonely. And why did I say she was lonely? I said that she was an only child, and it said it up here that she um, oh, it said it up here. Paisley is an only child who loves to draw. Okay, another thing that I came up with Paisley is that she was artistic. And I know that she was artistic because it also said that she liked to draw and play the piano. And an artist can be a musical artist, they can be draw pictures. So I put that she was artistic. I could have also put that she was talented. Now, another word I chose to use is that she was dedicated. And I chose that she was dedicated because it said that she always tries to get an A and she's hardworking. I also picked energetic. Energetic because she shops with her mom and she puts on plays for her parents. So she must have a lot of energy to be able to do those things. And finally, the last thing I added was that she was quiet. And I picked that she was quiet because it actually said Paisley is quiet and she keeps to herself. So I put that she was quiet and that she keeps to herself in school. Okay. So this is your next one. You're going to just see the card in your packet. You are going to read the little selection about Brad, and then you're going to go ahead and create the circle map. See if you can fill in all the bubbles that I have, and even maybe add some of your own. But remember, for every bubble that you make, you have to give supporting details from the story. You will do that with Brad, Grant, Lily, and Evan. When you finish, you can go ahead and turn that in to your teacher. See you tomorrow.